Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of these cleaning pumice stones. I was sent these for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to show you how they work. These stones worked really well at removing hard water and other bacteria buildup. I just went through a process of scrubbing and rinsing here, and it took away a lot of that staining on my daughter's sink. This is in my front bathroom, and you can see that we have a ton of hard water buildup. As I worked my way around the edges of the bowl with the pumice stone, it really just peeled that hard water staining right off. But that is years of buildup, so I was actually really happy to see a product that could finally help me remove that for the long term. The handle of the stone is 4 inches long, and the stone itself is 5 inches long. My daughter's toilet has the same type of staining, but after about a minute and a half of scrubbing, that started to wash away as well. You can see how little of the stone is worn away as I'm doing that scrubbing, and it comes with 2, so it's gonna last a long time. In summary, I like that these are lightweight, they are easy to store, and they worked really well. I struggle with hard water stains in my house just because that's how our water is, so I love knowing that these can clean up those stains for me.